Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, a little bit of a wet snow and sleet on the way for tonight, late tonight around midnight, but a quick change to all rain is likely near or just before daybreak on Thursday, and actually more of a rainstorm on the way for Thursday. In the meantime, after a beautiful day, clouds are rolling in. It's still dry, and as mentioned earlier, the first half of the night through at least 10, 11 o'clock will stay dry. You're heading out and some travel and running errands. It looks fine. Temperatures still very comfortable in the low 40s. And this is one reason why we don't have an all snow situation coming up. I mean, it's the lack of cold air. So it'll be, marginally cold enough in some of our northwestern suburbs overnight tonight for the onset of the precipitation to be a little bit of wet snow and some sleet. So kind of that frozen mixture eventually going over to all rain by daybreak. We're thinking the leading edge of the moisture arriving around midnight, and it really sets up for a rainy Thursday with downpours during the morning. So even though we don't have snow for the morning commutes, this is still high impact. Poor visibility, big puddles on the roads and things like that. It will taper off at least the intensity of the rain by later tomorrow afternoon and sets the stage for much colder, very cold in fact, weather come Friday and into Saturday. Clouds spilling in, still dry. Leading edge of the precipitation is still off to our south and west, but all of this arriving during the overnight and into Thursday. It's a fast-moving system, so by around this time or a few hours thereafter, the atmosphere actually drying out by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Taken into the future, blue is snow, green is rain. So here we are 1 o'clock in the morning, and you see rain along the coastline, and for several hours, maybe 2-3 hours, some wet snow. But a quick change over to rain. This is 4 o'clock in the morning. The snow confined to ski country of northern New England on Thursday. 8 o'clock in the morning, widespread rain, heavy at times. In fact, getting even closer to kind of walk you through this. As far as accumulations, the amounts before the change to rain, I really don't think it's enough to even shovel or plow. So essentially we're looking at just a thin slushy coating, and the air is shaded in gray and white. As far as maybe up to an inch, maybe up in Pasco, some of the higher elevations up in here, this would be from roughly 1 o'clock in the morning until about 5 a.m. This will all wash away. So if you wake up late, you may actually sleep through the whole thing. So here's the deal. That's why the winter weather advisory is in effect north and west of Providence during the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. Now, if you have travel plans towards the Mass Pike, north central Connecticut, Hartford, Worcester County, there's a little bit more snow, probably a couple of inches there. Start off this evening, cloudy skies, and here comes the precipitation. Again, the blue represents snow. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. But watch the rapid change to rain working all the way up into the northern part of the state by 5 o'clock in the morning. Widespread rain at 8 a.m., heavy at times. It becomes more scattered and light, but still damp. Some showers, rain showers, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But by the evening commute, notice most of the rain is gone. So while the roads may be wet for the evening commute, at least the rain and the visibility is improving, and the rain is gone with clearing skies later tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. So for your Thursday morning, widespread rain, heavy at times. Just kind of go easy on the gas pedal, extra travel time. And then during the afternoon, becoming scattered and lighter with rain showers and temperatures that'll top out in the mid-40s. It is turning sharply colder. Valentine's Day, Friday and Saturday, daytime highs struggle to get to freezing. That 9 is your sunrise temperature on Saturday. At least it's sunny, not quite as cold. In fact, better on Sunday, comfort-wise, with a high temperature coming up at around 42. So it looks good this evening. Some wet snow and sleet late at night while most of us are sleeping. Gone to rain by morning.
All right, Tony, thanks. We have more coverage you can count on.